Hi guys, it's Brianna and Maine. Yes. This is a video all about how this stupid recorder makes her voice sound horrible. If you want to make YouTube videos and you go get Screen Record Matic.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, but if you really are desperate, do it. There's just, it records good, but your game sucks when you're doing it through there. The camera quality, if it's the laptop or whatever, works fine. But the voice cam is horrible, so don't do it. This is all about how our voices don't actually sound screechy like it did in the last video. Yeast. Like as spaghetti. Okay, that's all for this video. Bye-bye.